What if I told you that the financial decisions you make in your 20s could determine whether you become financially free or struggle with money for the rest of your life? Right now, you are in the most powerful decade of your financial journey. But here is the problem. Most people waste these years because they believe wealth is something you build later in life. The truth is, the earlier you start, the easier it is to build wealth. If you wait until your 30s or 40s, you will have to work much harder to achieve the same financial security. But if you take action now, even with a small income, you can set yourself up for financial freedom and never have to worry about money again. In this video, we will break down the exact steps to build wealth in your 20s, from smart saving and investing to increasing your income and making your money work for you. By the time you finish watching, you will have a clear roadmap to create real, lasting wealth. Let's get started. Step 1. Master the art of saving. Pay yourself first. The foundation of wealth building is learning how to save money effectively. But here's where most people go wrong. They think they should save whatever is left after expenses. This almost never works because lifestyle inflation takes over, and savings become an afterthought. Instead, you should use the principle of paying yourself first. This means setting aside a percentage of your income for savings and investments before you spend on anything else. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 20% of your income, but if you are just starting, begin with whatever amount you can and increase it over time. To make saving effortless, automate it. Set up an automatic transfer to a high-yield savings account or investment account as soon as you get paid. When you do this, you eliminate the temptation to spend first and save later. One of the best strategies for saving effectively is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income goes to essentials, rent, groceries, bills. 30% to wants, travel, entertainment, hobbies. 20% to savings and investments. By making saving a priority early on, you are setting yourself up for financial success. Step 2. Build an emergency fund, your financial safety net. Before you start aggressively investing, you need to protect yourself from financial emergencies. Without an emergency fund, a single unexpected expense, like a medical bill or a car repair, can throw you into debt and undo all your progress. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible savings account. This money should be there only for emergencies, not vacations or impulse purchases. If saving this amount feels overwhelming, start small. Even having just $500 to $1,000 set aside can prevent you from relying on credit cards when unexpected expenses arise. Step 3. Invest early. The power of compound interest. If there is one financial hack that can make you wealthy without requiring you to work harder, it is compound interest. This is where your money earns returns, and those returns generate even more returns over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes. Let's say you invest $200 per month starting at age 20, and your investments grow at an average annual return of 8%. By the time you are 60, you will have over $600,000. But if you wait until age 30 to start investing the same amount, you will end up with only around $300,000. Half as much, even though you contributed the same total amount. A simple way to start investing is through index funds, low-cost, diversified investments that grow steadily over time. Retirement accounts. If your employer offers a retirement plan, contribute enough to get any company match. If not, open an individual retirement account. Brokerage accounts. Great for investing in stocks, ETFs, or other assets. Step 4. Increase your income. More money, more wealth. Saving and investing are crucial. But if you really want to build wealth, you need to increase your income. Many people focus only on cutting expenses, but there is a limit to how much you can cut. There is no limit to how much you can earn. Start by maximizing your primary income source. If you have a job, ask for a raise or look for higher-paying opportunities. Research salaries in your industry, improve your skills, and take on additional responsibilities that make you more valuable to employers. Beyond your main job, consider creating additional income streams. Some high-impact options include freelancing, starting a side hustle, investing in real estate, stock market investments. Step 5. Control lifestyle inflation. Live below your means. One of the biggest wealth killers in your 20s is lifestyle inflation, the tendency to spend more as you earn more. When you get a raise or a higher-paying job, it is tempting to upgrade your apartment, buy a new car, or spend more on luxury items. But if your expenses rise as fast as your income, you will never build wealth. Wealthy people do not spend all their money. They use their money to make more money. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle every time you earn more, focus on increasing your savings and investments first. A good rule to follow is the 50% rule. When you get a raise, save at least 50% of it instead of spending it all. Step 6. Develop a wealth mindset. Think long-term. Wealth is not just about numbers. It is about mindset. Many people stay broke because they have a scarcity mindset. They believe that money is hard to get, or that they will never be rich. But wealthy people think differently. They see money as a tool for creating opportunities, and they continuously educate themselves on how to grow it. One of the best ways to develop a wealth mindset is to surround yourself with financial knowledge. Read books on investing and personal finance, listen to podcasts, and learn from successful people who have built wealth. The more you understand money, the easier it becomes to make smart financial decisions. Another important habit is setting clear financial goals. Where do you want to be financially in 5, 10, or 20 years? Do you want to own a home, start a business, or retire early? When you have a clear vision of your future, it is easier to stay disciplined with your money choices. Building wealth in your 20s is not about luck or having a high-paying job. It is about making smart financial choices consistently. The steps we covered today: saving, investing, increasing your income, controlling lifestyle inflation, and developing a wealth mindset are the foundation of financial success. The question is, what will you do next? Will you start investing today? Will you increase your income? Will you build an emergency fund? Take one step now, because the sooner you start, the wealthier your future will be. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life-changing financial tips. Let's build wealth together. See you in the next video.